First, understand this. If a woman is not comfortable with you sexually, it's not because you didn't say the right line. It's because she doesn't feel safe, respected, and emotionally secure around you. High-value men don't convince women into comfort. They create an environment where comfort happens naturally. Let's build this the right way. How to make her comfortable with you sexually. Most men lose sexual opportunities not because she wasn't attracted, but because she didn't feel safe. Not physical safety, emotional safety. She can be turned on, she can like you, she can even desire you, and still shut down the moment she senses pressure, desperation, or unpredictability. If you don't understand this dynamic, you'll keep sabotaging yourself without knowing why. Stay with me, because once you understand how comfort actually works, your entire presence around women will change. 1. Slow down your energy. Here's where most men mess up. They escalate too fast, too much touching, too many sexual comments, too much intensity too soon. Women read energy faster than men do. If your vibe feels rushed, needy, outcome-focused, her nervous system tightens. And when her nervous system tightens, arousal drops. Biology 101, a woman's body responds to relaxation and trust. If she feels calm around you, her body opens naturally. High-value men move slower than their desire. That patience signals control. 2. Build emotional safety before physical escalation. You want her comfortable sexually? She needs to feel emotionally seen first. That doesn't mean therapy sessions. It means listen without interrupting, hold eye contact, respond thoughtfully. Don't judge what she shares. Women associate sexual openness with vulnerability. If she feels judged or misunderstood in conversation, she won't open physically. Comfort grows from emotional stability, and stability is attractive. 3. Lead without pressure. Here's the balance most men don't master. You must lead, but without forcing. You initiate the kiss, you initiate the touch, but you also pay attention to her response. If she hesitates, you slow down. If she leans in, you continue. That's calibration. Confidence is not bulldozing forward. Confidence is reading the room and adjusting. A woman relaxes sexually when she knows he's in control, but he's also aware. That awareness builds trust. 4. Remove outcome pressure. This one is critical. If she feels like you need sex to validate yourself, she'll feel it. Women are highly intuitive about outcome dependence. If you can genuinely enjoy her company without needing it to end in the bedroom, paradoxically, she becomes more open to it. Why? Because now she doesn't feel like a goal, she feels like a choice, and that removes pressure. When pressure disappears, comfort grows. 5. Create physical comfort gradually. Sexual comfort isn't built in the bedroom, it's built in small moments, light touches during conversation, holding her hand naturally, guiding her with your hand on her lower back, pausing and maintaining eye contact before breaking touch. Each step teaches her nervous system, this feels good, this feels safe. Gradual escalation builds anticipation instead of anxiety, and anticipation amplifies attraction. 6. Be emotionally unshakable. Nothing kills comfort faster than emotional instability. If you get irritated easily, insecure, jealous, or overly reactive, she won't relax around you. Sexual openness requires trust. Trust requires emotional control. High-value men don't react dramatically. They stay grounded. That grounded energy makes her feel protected without you saying a word. And when she feels protected, she opens. 7. Respect boundaries immediately. This is non-negotiable. The fastest way to lose sexual comfort is ignoring signals. If she says slow down, you slow down. If she says stop, you stop. No ego, no persuasion, no frustration. When she sees you respect her limits without resistance, she relaxes more deeply. Ironically, respect increases attraction because now she knows you're not just thinking about yourself, and that builds real intimacy. 8. Make her feel desired, not objectified. There's a difference. Objectification feels like, I want your body. Desire feels like, I'm drawn to you. Compliment her presence, her energy, the way she moves, not just her physical parts. When she feels genuinely desired, not reduced, she becomes more comfortable expressing her sexuality. Closing frame. Understand this clearly. You don't make a woman comfortable sexually with tricks. You do it with patience, emotional stability, respect, leadership, calibration, presence. When she feels safe, seen, and chosen, not pressured, her sexuality unfolds naturally. High-value men don't force comfort. They create an environment where it grows. Master that, and you won't have to chase intimacy ever again.